Hello friends, this is Rahul here, and today I'll be reviewing my room in Holiday Inn, that is at International Airport, New Delhi. And it's a wonderful hotel room as far as I can see, and it's much bigger than I've observed in some other hotels. So let's start the room tour. So this is the initial place where you can keep your bag. Like you can see, I've kept my bag there and it's well lit here, and there's a nice painting. Then we move forward. This is from the entrance area. You can see a view of the room itself. Then on the right you see some cupboards, and on the left you see there's a bathroom area. And let me just go ahead and enter the room and show you how it is. Bathroom area, so you just close this and then you see the bathroom. Nice wash basin with few good toiletries that they have provided. The boxes look good. Then we have this napkin area, then we have blinds controller, we have this mirror here. You can see they have given sockets here for charging, which is a nice touch. And this one is too all right. Okay, this controls the blind actually. See, do you see this? It's going up. Oh, nice. Then I do press it down, it opens like that and goes down. Nice way of it going down. And I think, oh, it just turns and it goes up. It doesn't actually, you cannot actually see it through these blinds anyway. No issues. Then these are the nice ones. And from using Biotique instead of boutique body lotion. Then we have here conditioner. I don't know if it is a stain conditioner, you have to wash it. Then we have shower gel, then we have a shampoo, then we glass of water and a nice little holder. And then these towels, small towels are there. This is a wash basin, nice wash basin. Then we go to the shower room. It doesn't have a bathtub, it has this shower, which is fine, nothing great. No crisscross shower or temperature control or things like that. And then we have a nice closet, we have a nice toilet area. All right, let's move ahead. And now I see these are mirror finished cupboards. You see them, all these three huge ones, three ones. Let me open one and then show you what is there inside. It's a huge closet, and you have the safe, then you have drawers. Then this one I'm opening, then it again has, this is a big almirah. It has, you can see bathing robe, and then we have these slippers. Good. Then I think this one is a shiner. This is for the ironing if you want to do it and things like that. Then we come to inside. Blinds alongside are operated by the blind controllers. All right. And this one is the room temperature one, air condition control. You can see this one, and a quick guide. This is a porch. This one is my beautiful bedroom. You see from top to bottom, nice one. This one is also nice. They have got a good height of this table. Then nice little area, or from you can actually eat these stuff from a small sort of a kitchen here, but you gotta pay later. So do remember, sometimes we just tend to eat from here and we don't foresee that it will be added to the charges, and it gets added. And this is a nice mini refrigerator with some cold drinks inside it. This is a TV, and this is the, you can see the overall area. Nice area. It's actually a big room, not a small room as I was thinking, and quite contrary to the reviews. And this one, they have given a nice sofa there, and then they have given a nice table to eat, and here a table to write and sit right. And it's a nice room. Basically it's pretty clean and nice room. So yeah, that's it. I'm ending this vlog by showcasing this beautiful picture that's hung on the wall on the right. Do make sure that you like the video and you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You share with your friends. Please do that. Okay, see you next time. Bye.